Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace a charging port and headphone jack board on the Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic cup pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, gently take out the back cover by holding the fingerprint button. Next, pull out the logic board frame by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug by moving the fingerprint button. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 7 screws. Next, disconnect and release both antenna heads from the board. Next, disconnect the main ribbon plug and then undo the screw holding the board. Next, gently pull out the not working charging board from the body. Next, place and secure the charging port and headphone jack board in the body. Next, connect the main ribbon plug and then secure the screw. Next, place and secure both antenna heads to the board. Next, secure the speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, connect the battery plug and then place the fingerprint button. Next, secure the board frame by adding 8 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.